Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows on MacBook Pro. First go to internet browser, then search download Windows 10 iOS file, then click on the first link on the web browser. Then scroll down and select the addition to Windows 10. Then hit confirm and select the language you prefer. Now make sure you down 64-bit download because it won't work on 32-bit and hit download. Now it will take 3 to 5 minutes depend on your internet speed. Now go back to computers, go to Launchpad, then other, then look for Bootcamp, hit continue, then choose the partition how much space you want for Windows. So I'm gonna select around 200 gigabytes, then choose a file like where you download the file in, hit download, select the window, open, install. Now it will take 3 to 5 minutes. Now it will be restart automatically. It will ask for your password. Just put your password and it will restart. After restarting your computers, it will take you to Windows setup. Now we are on Windows setup page. Now I'm gonna select the keyboard layout. So I'm gonna select it in USA because that's what I prefer. And hit next. After next, it will take you to Windows activate Windows. Then you put your window key. If you don't have, just press I don't have it. And then you're gonna press Windows 10 Pro, hit next. Now just follow me, I'm gonna show you how to set up Windows 10. Now run Bootcamp installer on your computer. Now hit next. So this is gonna allow you to install all the necessary drivers to work with your MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna make everything work like the touch bar, etc.